To polynomials. Last class we have factorized the cubic polynomial. Now we are giving a practice for 4th degree also. It is not in the syllabus, still it is an additional practice for you. If you are doing this one, you can easily do the cubic polynomial factorization. Now the question is, factorize x raised to 4 plus 2x cube minus 13x square minus 14x plus 24. So what are the factors of 24? Solution starts. Factors of 24 we will take first. So it is equal to plus or minus 1, then plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4, like that it will go. Now we are naming the given polynomial p of x equal to x raised to 4 plus 2x cube minus 13x square minus 14x plus 24. Now the first value we are trying, p of 1. So 1 raised to 4 plus 2 into 1 cube minus 13 into 1 square minus 14 into 1 plus 24. It is equal to 1 plus 2 minus 13 minus 14 plus 24. So minus 13 minus 14, it is equal to minus 27, right? 24 plus 2, 26 plus 1, 27. So 27 minus 27 equal to 0. So p of 1 equal to 0 implies x minus 1 is a factorize. X minus 1 is a factor of p of x, right? This is the same step which we have studied for the last class, that is cubic polynomial factorization. This is the first step there also. Here also similar way we have find out what is the first factor of p of x. Similarly, we should find one more factor because the degree is 4, right? So the first factor we have calculated, one more we have to calculate it by using this method only, trial and error. So the next number, now p of 2, it is equal to 2 raised to 4 plus 2 into 2 cube minus 13 into 2 square minus 14 into 2 plus 24, right? So 2 raised to 4 is 16 plus 2 cube is 8, 8 into 2 16, 13 into 4 52, minus only this, minus 14 into 2 28 plus 24. If you add 16, 16, 32 plus 24, it is 56, minus 52 minus 28, so never it is equal to 0. So we cannot say that x minus 2 is a factor. So p of 2 not equal to 0. Now p of minus 2 we are trying. Minus 2 raised to 4, 2 into minus 2 cube, minus 13 into minus 2 square, minus 14 into minus 2 plus 24. So it is 16, minus 8 into 2 minus 16, 13 into 4 already minus 52 only. So sign is minus, minus 52, minus 14 into minus 2 plus 28 plus 24. So 16, 16 will get cancelled. So minus 52 is there and this value is plus 52. So it is equal to 0. So x plus 2 is a factor. Okay. Now compared to the last class question, x minus 1 is a factor of p of x, the first factor we got. Again we continued, we got the second factor also. This is the different step, additional step we have. Now what is the step here? Two factors we got. Which are the two factors? X minus 1 and x plus 2. So take the product of these two. So it will be multiplied here, x square, x into plus 2, it is plus 2x, minus 1 into x, once again, it is 2x, okay, minus 1 into x minus x, minus 1 into plus 2, it is minus 2. That means, simplify this one means x square plus x minus 2. This is your divisor. Last time just one term was there as a factor, so directly we have used this is the divisor there. This time we have got a 2, so we are taking the product, and this is, that is quadratic polynomial will be our divisor. Now we got the divisor as x square plus x minus 2. This is our divisor now. What is the next step? P of x to be divided by x square plus x minus 2 only. So once again we have to take down the P of x here. So that is x raised to 4 plus 2x cube minus 13x square minus 14x plus 24 to be divided by x square plus x minus 2. You should not get any confusion. I'll write here again P of x to be divided by x square plus x minus 2. Right? So this is the divisor, correct only, x square plus x minus 2 only. Now it is x raised to 4 is the first term. So x raised to 4 to be divided by x square. What is the answer we are getting? X square. So we are writing on the top, that is a quotient, it is our x square only. Multiply x raised to 4, x square into x, it is x cube, then minus 2x square. No doubt, I think we have multiplied each term with the divisor. Now change your sign. This will get cancelled. 2x cube minus x cube, it is x cube, minus 13x square and plus 2x square. What is the answer? Minus 11x square. Next term to be taken down, minus 14x. Now x cube to be divided with the x square. So it is equal to x only. So we are writing x here, right? So multiply now x cube, x into x, x square, x into minus 2, minus 2x, minus, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. So this term will get cancelled. Minus 11x square minus x square minus 12x square, right? Minus 14x and plus 2x, again minus 12x, then the next term it is 24. Now what is the first term of here? Minus 12x square and to be divided with x square, minus 12x square to be divided with x square. So what is the answer you are getting there? Minus 12. Now we should multiply with the minus 12. So minus 12 x square minus 12 into x minus 12x minus 12 into minus 2 plus 24. Change your sign. Everything will get cancelled. It is 0. So our division part is also correct because we told that it is a factor. If it is a factor, remainder equal to 0 only. Now what is the third step? P of x to be equal to the divisor, that is x square plus x minus 2. Again the quotient x square plus x minus 12, remainder is 0 only. G of x into quotient. Now these two factors you already know, which is the product there, x minus 1 into x plus 2. So last step only we will write that one, till that will continue. X square plus x minus 2 will continue. Now this we will factorize. The product is 12 and the sum is 1. So the 12 factors 3 and 4. Now middle term sign is plus, so greater number is plus and 3 will be minus. So 4 and minus 3, it will be equal to 1. 4 and minus 3, the product is equal to minus 12. So again factorize this by using splitting middle term, x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12. We'll continue like this, x square plus x minus 2. Now what is common from these two pairs? So x is common, the remaining term is x plus 4. Now minus 3 is common, x plus 4. Now tell me which is the common factor here, x plus 4 only. So I'll write here x plus 4 into x minus 3. Right, this side is we got two factors, x plus 4 and x minus 3. Still it's not completed. So here x square plus x minus 2, what are the factors we are having? X minus 1 into x plus 2. So we are writing here x minus 1 into x plus 2. So how many factors? 4 factors we got, because the degree is also 4 only, right? X raised to 4 means 4. So 4 factors we got. So if you have studied thorough with the cubic polynomial factorization, this is not difficult. What are the steps? Similar to our factorization of the cubic polynomial, we have calculated one. In addition to this, one more factor to be calculated. We have got 2 factors. What is the next step? Take the product of that factors. This is the first step. Once we got the product, that will be the divisor for the second part. What is the second part? P of x to be divided with the divisor. So x square plus x minus 2 is a factor. Our division process is correct. Then remainder is 0. Now after that, division algorithm property. So P of x equal to x square plus x minus 2 into x square plus x minus 12. Again this part, by splitting middle term, we have to factorize. We got 2 factors from this side. Already this is having 2 factors that only we have combined and written. So we have to split last. So you will get 4 factors. So once again see the steps, you can understand clearly. P of x, P of 1, P of 2, P of minus 2. Out of this, P of 1 equal to 0 and P of minus 2 equal to 0. That means x minus 1 and x plus 2 is a factor. Take the product, you will get x square plus x minus 2. Then division process. P of x to be divided with that one. So remainder is 0. What is the next step? Division algorithm property. Again quadratic polynomial factorization. So totally you will get 4 factors. One more question. Factorize x raised to 4 minus 2x cube minus 7x square plus 8x plus 12. So this is the lengthy question. I have already solved here. Just I'll explain. Listen carefully and practice. X raised to 4 minus 2x cube minus 7x square plus 8x plus 12. So by the rule we have to find out the factors 2 here. So we are finding the factors of 12 we are taking plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 like that. So P of x we are naming the given polynomial. Then P of 1 we are trying. So P of 1 equal to 1 minus 2 into 1 cube minus 7 into 1 square minus 8 into 1 plus 12. After solving this, you will not get a 0. So it is not a factor. We cannot write from this. P of minus 1 we will try. Minus 1 raised to 4 minus 2 into minus 1 cube minus 7 into minus 1 square plus 8 into minus 1 plus 12. You solve means 1. Then plus 2 minus 7 minus 8 plus 12. 12 plus 2 14 plus 1 15. 8 and 7 15 only. So 15 minus 15 it is 0. So what is the conclusion? X plus 1 is a factor. Similarly P of 2 you try. It is also equal to 0. You can see here. So x minus 2 is the factor. So 2 factors we got. Which are they? X plus 1 and x minus 2. What is the next step? Take the product. So x plus 1 and x minus 2. We are getting the product as x square minus x minus 2. This is the first step we have completed. Now we got the divisor for the second one. So second part is P of x to be divided with the x square minus x minus 2. So the division process. So x square minus x minus 2 we are doing. So in normal long division method only, you will get the remainder as 0 there. So what is the quotient? X square minus x minus 6. And what is the divisor? X square minus x minus 2. By using the division algorithm, we can write P of x equal to divisor into quotient. So x square minus x minus 2 into x square minus x minus 6. What is the next step? This second polynomial to be factorized by using splitting the middle term. So x square minus x minus 2 into x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. From where we all got this one? Minus 6 factors we have taken. Minus 3 and plus 2. So minus 3 will be the middle term sign only. Then the 2 we can decide according to that. So from this, which is the common factor, x is the common factor, x minus 3. From this plus 2 is the common factor, then x minus 3. Again from this term we can take x minus 3 is the common, the remaining term is x plus 2. So total how many factors we need? 4 factors we should write. So this is x square minus x minus 2. So see this one, x square x minus 2 is the product of x plus 1 and x minus 2. So that we are writing here. So how many factors we have got now? 4 factors. And what is the degree value of the polynomial 4. So these are the steps for this one only. It is a little bit lengthy only, but once you learned the cubical polynomial factorization, it is also easy only. I think now it is the idea is clear to you. Now all the questions related to exercise 2.4 we have completed. So this is the practice questions for you, that is x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 2, x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus 10, x raised to 4 plus 10x cube plus 35x square plus 50x plus 24. So answers I had given here. So factorize is the questions. 2 cubical polynomial and 1 is the fourth degree, that is biquadratic polynomial. In addition to this, exercise 2.4 also you have to solve. So whatever questions related to exercise 2.4 we have completed. So exercise 2.4 solutions to be solved in the homework copy. Thank you.